Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting opportunity from NIT Rourkela, where the Department of Physics and Astronomy is launching a major international event in 2026. Let's start. The institute is organizing the International School of Fundamental Crystallography and workshop on Rietveld Refinement Analysis, also known as ISFC-2026. The event will be held from 23rd to 28th February 2026, right here at NIT Rourkela. The school is specially designed for PhD scholars, postdoctoral researchers, young faculty members, and R&D scientists who want to deepen their understanding of crystallography and masters the art of Rietveld refinement of powder diffraction data. Participants will get both theoretical foundation and hands-on training, from crystal structure and concepts to practical sessions on powder XRD data analysis, and full workflow training in Rietveld refinement. There is also an opportunity for participants to present their work in poster presentation, making it an excellent platform for networking, scientific exposure, and international collaboration. Registrations are open now and will close on 15th December 2025. To apply, fill out the application form and submit it along with a letter of support from your supervisor or employer to coordinator's email ID. For any queries, you can email Professor Dilip Pradhan at the given mail ID. All important links, brochure, website, and registration are available in the description. If you are in material science, physics, crystallography, or instrumentation, this is must attend international school. Don't miss the chance to learn from experts at NIT Rourkela. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video. Subscribe this channel to get more updates like this in future. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.